Good morning. Good morning. Today we're taking a look at Aura here on the XRPL. So Aura's been basically able to continue the same vertical accumulation that we discussed on the Sigma video just a moment ago. But I'll just kind of recap that for those who watch these Aura videos only. We have basically a measured move target that we expected to hit, a pocket of supply that we're grinding through at this point in time, price action go higher and healthier, which is wonderful. And we're looking at the break of the vertical accumulation for XRP here to show you that these higher low setups are really what you're looking for when it comes to these accumulation moves. And as of right now, Aura is doing all the above, right? Just continual higher lows being shown here. Volume is, nothing major at this point in time, but it's definitely happening. And we're just waiting for the continual march higher as we expect to get our first layer of resistance here at 80% higher at the 618. So measured movement targets, though, for what we're doing here on Aura, like we did on the Sigma coin from the prior video, is we're just expecting maybe just a retrace, right? 80%. If we come it and we say, okay, well, now let's just get to the prior all-time high. Now you're looking at a 500% return. 618, you're looking at 12x, and then you got a 1318, you got a 20x, and a 1618 is a 42x. Now, what's fascinating about the Aura coin is that we have another measuring tool that we can use. So this measuring tool that we would use would be the, let me find it here, would be the trend-based fib. So trend-based fib extensions tend to play on pivots, right? So what we do is we mark from the beginning of this move here up to the top of the range here and then down to the full move here. And this actually expands a lot of our measured moves. So I'm going to hide this prior one that we were just looking at. And this is actually what XRP did back in the day. And now when you see these types of moves playing out, next thing you know, with this type of price action, you actually get a higher 618, and you actually get a 141x to a 26 million market cap for the Aura coin. But the full extension moves could actually go even further above. Now, I don't fully expect that we're going to see billion market caps here, but I could see these guys playing out for sure, right? So we've got this kind of pocket of area that I would expect us to move back up to in this purple box. And this is because when we look back at the XRP market cap chart here and we zoom out to like a daily time frame and we go back in time to the exact same similar structure that we saw back here for XRP, when we do the same measured move tool and we use our trend-based fib, you can see that if I come to the lows here, let me grab that off, there we go, come to the lows here, and we go up and down, lo and behold, the trend-based fib takes us above the 1618 for that full move before we had to accumulate. So notice this right here, bounce back to Aura, there's that same box area that we would expect. So I'm personally thinking that 141x is possible based off the trend-based fib move that we have here for Aura. So yeah, I think a reasonable, 26 million to 107 million with like XRP freaking out and going crazy would be absolutely epic here. And we're seeing the same supply lock play out. So price action could go pretty cool. So that's what we're here for. This is what we're excited about. And, again, first target that we're looking for, 80%, prior all-time high reached right there, 480. And then maybe we get a little bit extra. So we'll just have to wait, watch, and see how that plays. But right now, the expectation is that there is a chance that 26 million could easily happen plus, and that would be this area for what we had done with XRP in the past. So, all right, guys, there's your targets for Aura this morning, and hopefully that makes you bullish. Thanks so much for watching.